CleanMyMac's maintenance scripts are a collection of macOS housekeeping tasks grouped into one-click maintenance actions. In current versions, they are found under Performance, Scan, Maintenance tasks. The feature is available in the Mac App Store and Set App editions, not the Mac App Store edition. What maintenance scripts actually runs? The periodic scripts task runs macOS's built-in daily, weekly, and monthly maintenance routines. These routines can remove certain temporary files, rotate and compress system logs, rebuild some system databases. CleanMyMac simply provides a convenient interface for triggering them manually. Are they still necessary on modern macOS? Usually, not often. macOS already runs these maintenance routines automatically. Running them manually is mainly useful when your Mac has been asleep or off for long periods. You are troubleshooting odd system behavior. You want to force a housekeeping pass after heavy use. It is not a speed boost button that will normally make a healthy Mac dramatically faster. Other CleanMyMac maintenance tasks, depending on your macOS version, and CleanMyMac edition. The performance section may also include tasks such as flush DNS cache, useful after DNS or network issues. Reindex Spotlight, useful if Spotlight searches are incomplete or inaccurate. Speed up mail, rebuilds mail-related indexes when searches or messages behave oddly. Thin Time Machine Snapshots, helps reclaim space from local time machine snapshots, free up RAM. Mostly useful for troubleshooting older Intel Macs. Modern macOS manages memory well for setup users. Worth running. A sensible schedule. Normal Mac use, once every few months, or only when. Troubleshooting, developer machine, lots of installs and removals. Occasionally alongside app cleanup. New Mac that runs well, probably unnecessary. CleanMyMac's value here is mostly convenience. It gathers several troubleshooting commands into one place instead of requiring terminal commands or manual steps. My suggested CleanMyMac routine for a setup user: monthly or quarterly. 1. Run cleanup scan. 2. Review and remove junk. 3. Check applications. Uninstaller for leftovers. 4. Run maintenance. Only if there is a reason. Slow search, network weirdness, mail problems, storage issues. For a healthy Mac, I would not schedule maintenance scripts to run constantly. They are a troubleshooting and a housekeeping tool, not a required maintenance ritual.